good afternoon everyone. How are you today?
Good afternoon. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. So, today we're going to look at food and drinks. Let's start with a few fruits, which I'm sure you know. What's this?
Strawberry.
The strawberry, and the strawberries are which color?
Red.
Red. Here we have a pear. Which color?
Yellow.
Yellow. And last one?
Kiwi.
Kiwi, which is?
Green.
A green kiwi. I love eating strawberries. What about you? What do you like? Which one do you like eating?
Pears.
You like eating pears?
I like eating pear. And you, what do you like?
I like kiwi.
You like eating kiwi? And can you ask your friend?
I like eating strawberry. And you?
I like eating kiwis, strawberries, and pears.
And pears. All of them. Good.
All of them.
Now let's look at drinks. This is coffee, a cup of coffee. Now we have a
Cup of tea.
cup of tea. And some people drink their coffee and their tea with or without, without milk
Sugar.
and sugar. I drink my coffee with milk. But I drink my coffee without sugar. No sugar. Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink tea and coffee
Both. And
with sugar.
with sugar.
Only sugar.
Only sugar. What about you?
I drink coffee without milk and without sugar.
Do you drink tea?
I don't drink tea, I just drink coffee without milk and without sugar.
And what about you?
I drink tea and coffee without milk and without sugar.
Let's look at a few more ingredients or dishes. So let's start with those ones. What's this?
Meat.
This is meat, correct. Here we have egg. Maybe I'll put them here so you can
Cheese.
Cheese. That's how we write cheese.
Cheese.
And
Fish.
fish. So we have egg, meat, cheese, and fish. You can eat those with
Rice.
rice, right?
Pasta.
Pasta, and
Bread.
So, there are three important meals during the day. The first one is breakfast. Then we have lunch and dinner. I eat for breakfast. I eat egg with bread. What about you? What do you eat for breakfast?
For breakfast, I eat bread and cheese.
Bread and cheese. And can you ask your friend?
What do you eat for breakfast?
For the breakfast, I eat egg, cheese, and bread.
And bread.
And you?
And you, maybe let's ask about lunch. What do you eat for lunch?
For lunch, I eat fish with rice.
Rice. And can you ask your friend?
What about you? What do you eat for lunch?
For lunch, I eat pasta.
And do you eat pasta with cheese or without cheese?
Sometimes without with cheese, sometimes without.
Sometimes with or without. Okay. So, let's see now. Maybe we can do a little game. I'm going to take one paper and make a sentence. The word is without. I eat pasta without meat. Your turn now. Can you pick a paper and make a sentence?
I eat pasta with cheese.
We can use also those words, huh? Your turn.
Dinner. For my dinner, I eat some meat with rice.
For my breakfast, I eat cheese and bread. Coffee. For breakfast, I eat coffee with bread and cheese.
Good. Now, let's practice a little bit more. Can you tell me, when do you drink coffee? When do you drink coffee?
I drink coffee for my breakfast and for my lunch.
For lunch and for
after lunch.
And after lunch. When do you eat bread?
I eat bread for my breakfast.
For breakfast.
Yes.
Can you ask your friend a question? You say, when?
When you eat for your lunch? For my lunch, I eat meat and rice.
What do you eat for lunch? You eat meat and rice. And you, what do you eat for dinner?
For dinner, I eat rice or pasta.
Rice or pasta. Okay, so that's it for today. Let's practice a bit more. You can practice all together a bit more, and we'll have a review during the next lesson of all those words here that we learned today and all those pictures we've learned today. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.